Still sit on hold.
You will sit on hold.
You got plumbers all across the country going there.
Yeah. We're not the only ones that have done it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so...
But you can at least skip the homeowner line.
Yes. Which is a lot of times, what size do I need for my house? Or
yeah.
I was curious about these water heaters, so and we're sitting on hold, which we did for years till we did the training and got the support we needed.
Yeah, no, the training's important, and you learn a lot of little details you didn't realize you didn't know.
So without going out there and just stepping on names,
I've been trying to avoid that this whole time.
I'll go ahead and say it. I mean, it's my show. They can call me, talk to me if they want to. So we've done Ream training, Tankless training. We've done Renai's Tankless training, and we've done Navian's Tankless training. And a little touch on the Smiths.
Yeah, a little one.
They kind of gave us a broad training on everything.
Yeah. Didn't get super into the details and everything. Yeah. Like, we kind of already know all this.
But my opinion as a seasoned master plumber here in the state of Texas, Navian had the worst training out of all of them. That
was pretty bad.
And I'm going to ask you what you got out of that training.
Don't sell a Navian. Which is terrible. It's not. I don't want to sit here and call anybody out, but I learned every way to avoid that warranty.
I mean, it was an hour and a half of telling us what to do to not get it not warranted.
Yeah. Yeah. Just nonstop of this breaks the warranty, this breaks the warranty, this breaks the warranty, it's like, is there any way I can install this and it not break the warranty? It was a little
you
nuts.
have to have a perfect installation.
Yeah. It's like they had so many ways to get out of helping you. And that's what they preached to us the entire time. And it just... I don't feel like you're standing behind your product quite enough.
Well, my problem as a service plumber, I didn't install most of them that I work on.
Yeah. I'm just supposed to go back and tell this customer, oh, sorry, they messed one little thing up over here. I mean, it's not even to do with your problem, but they messed that up, so none of this is under warranty, even though you got it installed 2 years ago. And I'm sorry, the guy that installed it won't return your call.
So you either got to pay me to fix it, and then fix the things that he did wrong, so we can get
the warranty and
or replace it with the Renai that I know I won't have a problem with.
Yeah.
Getting warranted a year, 2 years, 5 years from now.
Yes. Because Renai just sat there and just told us every way that they would help us.
Yes.
How they would go above and beyond in situations like that for us.
They even said that they'll get a salesman to come, and if they have a part available, they'll on their own purse and in their car, they'll bring it to us and help us out to get it back running.
Yeah. Yeah. Seem to really care about their customers. Really, they want your business. Where Navian felt like more of, hey, you're going to give us business anyways.
Yeah.
Where Renai was like, no, we want everybody. We want the world to come to us. We want to be the only water heater out here. And we're going to stand by our product.
The interesting thing I got in the Ream training was that if the heat exchanger goes out, which is generally one of the top things that go out in a tankless water heater, and it's from hard water, which we discussed in an earlier podcast. A lot of times, poor quality water, hard water, not flushing, not maintaining, which they're supposed to be done on a yearly basis.
Every year, you're supposed to be flushing those things out. Sometimes, depending on the water quality, twice a year.
Ream said that if the heat exchanger goes out, they will replace the entire unit.
The entire unit. Now, that's impressive in standing behind your product.
And that will save you a ton of time.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you have to disconnect and reconnect and hook the vent and gas and all that stuff back up. But you're not tearing the unit apart.
Yeah.
Going in and getting it apart, putting it back together, and then firing it back up.
Yeah.
You're completely changing that out.
And then hoping that that's what the problem was.
Yeah.
Because it's a computer.
Yeah.
One thing can be do a deeper thing, can be do a deeper thing. Now, heat exchangers out, that's generally pretty obvious.